Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video and I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible because I'm hearing this message that I need to post this video today because some viewers wanted answers, or I'm feeling that someone wanted this video out and I need to post this video as soon as possible because it's literally night and I never record anything at night because I feel like I'm overstimulated. But today, even though my work was like very hard today, even though I it is weekend, but I still feel like I'm very energized and I'm feeling like I need to push this message out, and I'm feeling that some viewers need this message. So I'm recording and I'm going to be very raw honest. I won't sugarcoat things. So I hope you will like this video. Let's get started with this. We have Seven of Pentacles in reverse. I'm getting this message that you were pondering on some things for a long time. You were constantly thinking about not others but yourself. It's like whenever you were like started to do something, or whenever you wanted to like learn something or start something, you always used to ponder what will you do once you start. It's like, for example, if you were on your fitness journey, or like you wanted to like get a job. Okay, first simply it can be a job. It was not like you didn't believe in your skills, because I can genuinely see you are a very smart person. Like, we have the magician card. It is speaking that you are smart, you are like ideal, you have the wisdom, you are quite like an overachiever, I would hear. It's like you're an overachiever. You always feel things very deeply, and you always need to like feel everything on the inner level. And I feel like because of that, you always wonder if you are on the right path. And this feeling is like, it's not constant, but it is like for some weeks you're in this zone where your mind goes overthinking and overthinking and constantly overthinking, and then next week it's like you are at your peace, you find this peace. But again, while you are in your peace, like in your zone, you feel like this constant feeling that you are going to gonna get depressed again, or you are going to feel some kind of insane level things in your heart or in your chest, that it's going to flip everything. And constant uh that constant thing is making you feel that you are lacking something. It is making you feel like, I need to do more, I need to learn more, I need to get this thing right, I need to start learning this and that. And also I feel like you are very stressed about something which can be related to money, if I'm not wrong. Of course, everyone like thinks about money, but you think about money on like crazy level and stuff. There were four cards, but let's go again. See, this is you. This is you when this level fast. This is you. It's like you feel this undying level of solitudeness, or it's like you feel at like your heart is at peace, everything is working out for you. Like one moment you are in this zone where you think that you are the top of the world, and you want you don't even want anything, you just want to live in that moment, you want to cherish that moment, and you are constantly aiming that in your life you want this flow of money, and you want this security, uh, that will make you feel like you have to do nothing and the money will come to you. It's giving that. I don't know why, but it's giving that. You don't want to start the stuff, but you want to have the results. Are we hitting there? I'm sorry, I get really honest. But let's find the solutions. We are here for the solutions at the end. What we need to do, how we can solve this issue. Will you solve the issue? There are three. Let's open it. Oh my god. First, we have Four of Wands in reverse. Then we have King of Cups in reverse and Queen of Cups. It is getting. I feel like this might be the right placement of this card. You have this, I would say, the only thing that will help you right now is the focus. You have lost the focus. You are so trapped in everything and like every moment. You do want to enjoy present, you do want to think about past, and you want to also know what is going to happen in future, which is quite like, I would say this can be like very fast pacing, like you are constantly on a run, on a marathon in your head. You want to grab everything, like you want to have this, you want to have that, and because of that, the real focus, the real manifestation, or the real results you want are just going past by you, and you're just wasting time at this point. I'm not even kidding. It's like very first, you have to focus on yourself. I don't care what situation you are in right now, like it can be anything. But you know what? The only advice I can give you from my experience is time will pass by. It will like you will be in happy moments, you will have your sad moments. And in that time, you just have to see what you want, and the focus will give you immense amount of results. You have to start looking for your goals. You need to set a goal, because you can see the twin is looking into the cup, like she is holding the cup, and she is keeping her focus on that object very clearly. Even though we have King of Cups, he has not one but two cups, but his focus is not on those cups. His focus is like in the outer world. He's focusing outwards. And that cup, the the water or whatever that is going to fall, because you need to get a hold of yourself. You need to start by doing things like, I would say, start small rituals that are close to you. It can be anything. Like for me, I started this as a like meditation, but it's not like same as meditation, but it's like kind of like meditation. It's like I started to go, like it's like I wake up in the morning, I do my bath and everything, I get fresh, and then I go to temple, because I needed this state of mind where for only 20 minutes I need the peace, where I want the chaos or my mind to just focus on one thing. And the thing is, I am pointing to right now is going to temple and just quietly be in that surrounding. Because at the end, surrounding do matters. If you wake up, you have everyone around you, or if you even leave alone, you have all the thoughts that are running inside your mind, right? So it's like you are in constant rush in your head, even though we can't see the thoughts physically. They are affecting our life somewhere, like they are affecting us somewhere. So I need you to start building a routine. Like if you have a routine already, it doesn't have to be 10 routines, like wake up in the morning, head to the gym, like do this, do that, do meditation, do journaling, blah blah blah. No, it doesn't have to be everything. You just need one focus, and that focus is going to change your freaking life. Like I'm not even kidding. It's literally giving, like, girl, boy, anyone who is listening, I am genuinely feeling that you guys need focus. You guys need focus because you're constantly thinking about stuffs. And you know what? Negative mind do affect a lot. Like you need to stop. You need to stop. Like those thoughts run in your head. Like they are just blabbering in your inside your head, and they don't even mean anything. Like I'm I'm like, bet I give you bet that they are just like noise in your head, but still they are there. So my solution, I would say, is just build a routine. And we have four of wands in reverse. I feel like this is say we have king of cups, we have queen of cups, and we have both like male and female here, but they are like upside down, right? It's giving that you're not feeling secure where you are staying right now. You have this feeling that you need to move out somewhere. Are you going to move out? Or are you planning to move out? Or like, do you want something? We have Wheel of Fortune and Six of Pentacles. I feel like you are going to give, or you are going to help someone. You are soon going to help someone, and that something is related to knowledge or related to wisdom, or you are going to pass out some, like, I don't know. I'm feeling like you have this giving nature where you love to cook and give food to everyone. You love when people like eat your food and like give like compliments. You like that. And you are planning to give something. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling that it might be knowledge or it can be food, somewhere between. And Wheel of Fortune in reverse. I won't say this is like negative card because this is a transformation card. And transformation can be good or bad. It depends on you how you take it. Someone is quite looking or someone is keeping an eye on you, and that person wants something from you, and because of that your life is going to turn randomly. I feel like this person wants something from you and they are eyeing for a long time. They are like, I wish I had this. They look at you and they think like, wow, this person is so cool. Oh my god, this person is so talented. I want what they have. Or the or I feel like you get quite social a lot, and the other person is thinking that I wish I had the same skills as them. I wish I had skills like how they are talking, how they are friends with everyone, how they are like so good at their job, and the person is eyeing or they are copying you and they are like, I want to follow this person. But I will say keep an eye on yourself because this might this might affect you because you are that type of person who can trust easily because I'm getting you're quite an extrovert or social person who tends to talk a lot with everyone and share everything with them. It's not like you want to share, but once the conversation starts, you can't stop yourself from speaking and from like giving the knowledge to the person, even though the person who is listening is quiet. Like, always read the room while you're speaking because some people are going to get the knowledge and turn the cards. Maybe it might be an idea that you wanted to start something from very scratch and you had this whole plan inside your head, and you just went into a party or you were in your friend circle and you just out of like talking nature you give that idea or you kept that idea in front of them, and one of the person liked the idea and they were like, oh my god, this person is not going to work on this, he'll take time to like rethink and stuff, so let me do it before they do it. And that's how this Wheel of Fortune is working because they are taking your fortune. They are taking your fortune. Now I get this card. It's like they are taking. Instead of you are giving them, they they want it. They're begging for it. They want it, and that's how they are getting it. So I will say, if you have ideas inside your head, please note them in journals so you won't forget, or record them and keep them somewhere. But I would prefer you not to share everything with everyone.
Oh, ECT.
This is the last card for my reading, and I feel like this card is like very cheerful card, or it's like the card which give you the satisfaction of how you lived till now. It's like a judgment card is basically like you are finally where you are. Like you wanted you wanted this like start, or you wanted this push to start somewhere. And the judgment card is not just like it's not just like I would say happy card, but it's more like starting card. I'm i'm hearing this message that you guys have suffered a lot, because I'm quietly feeling very overwhelmed as I'm ending this video. I'm feeling that you guys have gone through a lot, like a lot. I can't even say in words, or I don't even have words how much you have went through. But I would say that once you start focusing on yourself, once you start doing the things you are thinking, and not just putting up with others, or not just doing it for others, and once you start doing it for yourself, you will hear a big news very soon. Like it won't even take time. The success is at your step right now. The success is onto your step right now. Like you just have to wear your shoes and you have to walk, because no one is going to put that shoes on you. No one is going to bend down and help you wear those shoes. You have to sit, you have to wear those like your shoes, you have to stand up and you have to walk, and that is your start. You have to stop everything that is going inside your head. You just have to find this one routine, you have to find this one focus. I know we love to do multiple things, like we need to do multiple things at one time, but this is not going to help you, because doing one thing at one time is going to prove that your life was worth it. You are made for this thing, and the win is going to be very simple. Like the way you have complicated all this stuff inside your head is not even that complicated. You just have to like let go. You just have to hold on to that one thing, and you will see results very quickly. So I hope you like this reading. Let's meet in the next one. Bye.